So to emulate motion controls in RetroArch, first go to the game you want to emulate the motion controls and click F1 to open the menu. Then go down till you see controls and choose the port you want to change. Go to the button you want to use to tilt forward and backwards or side to side and select that. And do that for forward, backwards, left, and right. And then for shake, choose another button and just select shake. And then after that, you'll need to save it. So go to manage remap files and click save game remap file or something like that. And then go to settings, input, and then turn on remap files for this core and auto config. This will make it so the remaps that you just did will automatically load when you open the game. Then go to configuration file and save it. Just make sure everything's saved. And then it should work and you should be able to emulate motion controls with your games in RetroArch.